بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Hurry up, take out your books and open page number 23. Today I will teach you a different topic, that is number line. Now come to your topic. We are familiar with the basic numbers. Now we are going to study about number line. Students, you already know about the simple numbers, but today we will learn positive and negative numbers in number line. Now have a look on board. Now students, look here. Look at the line. This is called number line, which have numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers, and you have 0 in this number line. Students, in this number line, look the right side from the 0. This is the point 0. From the right side of 0, look at the right side of 0, there are positive numbers. Positive numbers mean the number with plus, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus is not important right here. It is already say is positive numbers. Students, left side from 0 are negative numbers and right side from 0 are positive numbers, and the numbers are increasing from 0 up to so on. This arrow means increasing number. Now have a look on book. Representation and identification of numbers using number line. Consider the following numbers. Right side from 0. This point is 0 and the numbers are increasing at the right side from the 0. Look, these are positive numbers. Look at here, 0 point is here and it is increasing from 0 to the left side. These all our numbers are negative number, but these all numbers are negative numbers. Each number has minus sign. By combining the two lines, decreasing number and increasing number, from 0 these positive numbers are increasing. From 0 the positive number are increasing to the right side, and from 0 the negative number are decreasing to the left side. Remember, a number line is a line on which the numbers are represented in ascending order. Point 2 is numbers will be positive to the right side of the 0 on the number line. Point 3 is numbers will be negative to the left side of 0 on the number line. Study it and prepare yourself for example 16. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.